have cute little plants right here. So I just came back from the thrift store. I woke up at like 8, I think. I'm gonna give you a little haul of what I got. I literally did not get them. I literally just got one thing. Can you see it? It's like this little green top bra. I don't know. I thought it was cute. It was only like $3. But yeah, I really liked the color, and I don't know, I just thought it'd be like a little basic. Yeah, the thrift store that I go to, it's like super big, so I was like really overwhelmed while I was looking, so I only ended up getting that. But I think right now I'm gonna go to a coffee shop because I'm gonna finish my homework. Yeah, yesterday I did end up finishing all of my health homework. So now I just need to finish my English homework, my econ homework, and my orchestra homework, but I'm gonna pack my bag real quick.
On February 6th,
Okay, Pop, didn't I tell you? Dad, I'm not your dad. You were built by the LG politicians.
and rule the galaxy. A Buzz Lightyear, instead of being the greatest hero in the
Whatever.
titled Buzz Lightyear Star Command. In the story, Buzz's Space Ranger partner worked on ABC as part of Disney's One Saturday Morning programming section of Disney parks, including a building called 42.
So right now I'm here to pick up my cousin. I'm waiting for her because we're gonna go get free donuts because we're both graduating, so we both get like a free big pack of donuts from Krispy Kreme. Yeah, I have all my stuff right here, and then we're gonna go to our cousin's apartment because their little sister wanted our donuts. Also, I'm wearing the same outfit that I wore yesterday, well, the same sweater. Yeah, because I'm an outfit repeater.
Got them?
Yeah.
Wow, what the heck, really?
They're cute.
Oh my god, I want to eat one.
Wow, congratulations.
Congrats on graduating. Is this just like a one-day thing?
Uh-huh.
What do you mean?
Only May 13th is remember 13th.
No, we can get them whenever.
It was good.
They're good.
Mine was 30. I was gonna say no.
So I went to the thrift store again this morning. I got more things. But yeah, I'm gonna do a little quick haul. I'll probably do a try on haul too. So I got this little button up. It has like flowers. I don't know if you can tell. And the brand for it is Woolrich. It's just a little button up, like to put over like a cute little bralette or something. And then I also got this button up. I really liked the color. I thought it was super cute. Super summer spring vibes. And the brand for this one is Capacity. And it was like pretty cheap. Everything was like $2, max $3. Oh, random intermission. I got these earrings. I thought they were cute, little simple earrings, because I need more earrings. I don't really have that many cute ones. And then I got this little mesh top. They had a lot of mesh tops and I was really confused, but I got this one. And I liked the color and the pattern. Oh, this is from Target. And then I got this cute little crop top, question mark. This little like gingham shirt that ties in the front. And it doesn't say what brand it's from, so. And then I got another button up. I got a lot of button ups. It looks like this. I thought it was cute and it was like transparent and nice. The brand, I don't know what brand this is. And the last shirt that I got was this shirt that I've been seeing a lot on everyone, and it really reminds me of like old 2000s sitcoms. And it's from the brand Briggs, New York.